What if your body has been warning you for years? Not with pain, not with dramatic symptoms, but with whispers. A little fatigue you blamed on age, a mild pressure you called stress, a restless night you ignored. Most people think symptoms begin when something goes wrong, but that isn't how the body works. Symptoms don't begin when a problem starts. They begin when the body can no longer compensate, and compensation can last a very long time.
The invisible phase.
Inside your body, silence does not mean stillness. Every second, billions of cells adjust, correct, adapt. If energy drops slightly, your cells produce more stress hormones. If inflammation begins quietly, your immune system responds without telling you. If blood flow changes, vessels widen, then narrow, balancing pressure without pain. You feel normal, but normal does not always mean optimal. Imagine a factory working overtime. Machines run hotter, workers move faster. Nothing breaks, yet. That is compensation. Your body is brilliant at it, sometimes too brilliant, because when the body compensates well, you never see the warning. Energy, the first silent shift. Long before exhaustion appears, energy production changes. Inside each cell are mitochondria. They convert nutrients into usable fuel. When sleep is shortened, when stress is constant, when nutrition is inconsistent, mitochondria don't stop working. They work harder. At first, you feel fine, then slightly tired. Then you need more caffeine. Then the recovery takes longer. The symptom doesn't begin when energy drops. It begins when your cells can no longer keep up. Fatigue is not the beginning, it is the after effect. Inflammation, the quiet protector. Inflammation is often misunderstood. It is not the enemy, it is protection. When tissue senses stress, immune cells arrive. Blood vessels widen slightly, fluid increases. If the stress resolves, everything returns to calm. But if small stressors continue, poor sleep, chronic tension, ultra-processed food, emotional strain, the response never fully shuts off. You won't feel this at first. There is no sharp pain, no dramatic signal, just subtle stiffness, slight puffiness, slower recovery. Inflammation becomes visible only when it grows loud enough, but it rarely begins loudly. The nervous system under load. Your nervous system is constantly scanning. Is it safe? Is it threatening? Is it urgent? Modern stress is rarely physical. It's mental, financial, emotional, digital. Your brain adapts. Heart rate adjusts, hormones shift, muscles tighten slightly. You still function, you still work, drive, smile, respond. But beneath the surface, the system is operating at a higher baseline. One day, a headache appears, or dizziness, or brain fog. It feels sudden, but it wasn't. It was the moment compensation ended. And symptoms finally appear. By the time you notice something, your body has already tried everything. It increased output, redirected energy, activated protection systems. Symptoms are not betrayal, they are communication. They are the body saying, I can't carry this alone anymore. Pain is not the first sign, it is the final messenger. The calm realization. This is not meant to create fear. It is meant to create awareness. Your body is not fragile. It is adaptive. It is intelligent. It is constantly working to keep you alive. The question is not, what is wrong with me? The better question is, what has my body been compensating for? Because if you learn to notice the whispers, you may never have to hear the scream. Your body has been speaking to you for years, not loudly, but faithfully. The real power is learning to listen.